The fabrics you choose to cover stitch on the bernette Funlock b42 can vary. There's lots of different stretchy fabrics, thicknesses, fleece, you name it. Your fabric is going to be your variable. So one thing I want to talk about is presser foot pressure. And one of the things I love about this machine is every knob that needs or can be turned is on the outside. From the pressure adjustment to the differential feed to the other side of the machine that has the stitch length knob. Everything is adjustable while you're actually in the middle of a cover stitch project. So leave it at that little dot, as you can see, for normal. But if you do find that by it stitching it's coming out wavy, or you're finding that the fabrics are sliding unnecessarily, you can use an adjustment for kind of both the differential feed and the pressure as you go. So if you do find that lowering the pressure so the foot almost skims over the fabric a little bit more gently, then go to the L. If you're working on something really thick and need it to really make sure it presses and gets it to go through the machine, go ahead and move it to the higher numbers. And remember, a longer stitch length can also assist when going over like a seam area. So you do have to kind of learn that finesse of when to lengthen your stitch length, when to adjust the pressure, and when to even play with the differential feed. So it isn't a set formula. Your fabric is going to dictate your final result, so definitely always make sure you have a little extra fabric for you to play with.